Good morning, dear students. Today we will be starting with our next exercise 10.4, that is based on our 24-hour clock time. Okay. In the previous classes you have studied about the 12-hour clock time. Okay. So in this class we are going to study about 24-hour clock time. The 24-hour clock time is used by the railways and the airlines. Okay. Railways and the airlines are using the 24-hour clock time. In some offices, for the offices work, we are also using the 24-hour clock time. So it is necessary for us to know about the 24-hour clock time in our daily life also. So let's start. In 12-hour clock time we are using the AM and the PM. We had already discussed all these things in the previous videos. Now, but in 24-hour clock time there is no concept of AM, that is ante-meridiem, and PM, that is post-meridiem. Okay, so in 24, the most important point here is that in 24-hour clock time we are not having any concept of AM and the PM. Time begins from midnight, which is indicated the time at the midnight. Midnight is our 12. At 12 midnight means at the night, whenever we are having 12, it means it is the time of midnight. Okay, so that midnight time is represented here as, here first two zeros are denoting our hours and the last two zeros are denoting our minutes. So here the first two zeros are our minutes and the last two zeros are our hours. The first two zeros stand for the hours and the next two zeros for the minutes. Clear? So again I am repeating whatever I had discussed till here. In the 24-hour clock time there is no concept of AM and the PM. Okay? The time at the midnight is indicated as 4 zeros. Here the first two zeros are denoting our hours and the last two zeros are denoting our minutes. It means if we say 12, our clock goes after 12 midnight, it will be 1 AM, then the 2 AM, then the 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. That was the case of our which time? 12-hour clock time. That was the case of our 12-hour clock time. Okay. Then in the 12-hour clock time, we started with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That was the time of PM till 12 midnight. But now in the case of our 24-hour clock time, here the first 1 AM will be denoted as 0100R. It means first two digits, that is 01 is denoting our hours and the last two zeros are denoting our minutes. 2 AM will be denoted as 0200 hours, 3 0300 hours, 4 AM 0400 and so on till your 12 noon. And 12 noon will be written as 1200 hours. See, here is no concept of the midnight, there is no concept of the noon, there is no concept of AM and the PM. Okay, our time will be written like this at the outer of our clock. Okay, in the form of the hours only, after 1200 hours, now the time is not 1 PM, now it will be 1300 hours. It means in 1200 hours, now it will be next 1 hour, we will be adding 1 here, it becomes 1300 hours. Now in this we will be adding 1, it becomes 1400 hours. Then if we add to 1 to this, it means we are adding 1 hour to each hour. Okay, so it will be 1400 hours, then 1500 hours, then 1600 hours, 1700 hours, 1800 hours, 1900 hours and so on up to our 2300 hours. When it reaches 2400 hour, it means it is the beginning of the new day and it is written as 0000 hours. Is it clear? So some important points I am going to discuss. In 24-hour clock time, there is no concept of the AM and the PM. There is no concept of the noon and the midnight. Okay, first two digits of the time will be representing your hours and the last two digits are representing your minutes. Okay, so whatsoever you are doing, I am just summarizing it in my notebook. There is no concept of AM and PM. Time begins from midnight, which is indicated as this, first two zeros hours, then the minutes. If I want to write 2 AM, it will be written as 0200 hour because it is a concept of the AM. If you see here, this is a the time the day started, it will be 1 a.m., 2 a.m., 3 a.m. This is the case of the a.m. only. After here we reaches here, the time of the p.m. will start. So we will be adding here 1, okay, for each of the following hours. Clear? So 2:45 here will be 2:45 p.m. Now it is p.m. p.m. means it is not like this. It means we have to add here 12 hours. We have to add here 12 hours, because now it is not like this, just we are going with the 1 a.m., 2 a.m., 3 a.m., 4 a.m. Now it is the 2:45 p.m. If you want to convert it into 24-hour clock time, because it is p.m., we have to add here 12 hours. When we add here 12 hours, it becomes, see, it is the case of the hours, so hours will be added with hours only, and these are the minutes, so we are not going to add here anything. So it becomes your 14:45 hours. 7 p.m. p.m. means now again we have to add here 12 hours. Okay. So when we add here 12 hours, it becomes your 1900 hours. So at the end you have to write down here hours only. Clear? I hope it is clear. Whenever it is p.m., if you want to convert it into 24-hour clock time, you have to add here 12 hours. Clear? So let's start with your exercise. You have to do this exercise in the book only. Change into the 24-hour clock time. It is 9:30 a.m. 9:30 a.m. Okay. Yeah, you can say 9:30. Okay. So it will be written as 09, because it is a.m. So no, you are not going to add here 12 hours. So it will be 0930 hours. Now it is the case of the 12 noon. So now 12 noon will be written as 1200 hours. Okay. Now the 6:45 p.m. I had told you this thing, whenever it is the case of the p.m. you have to add 12 hours to your hours. When you add 6 and 12 hours here, it becomes 18:45 hours. Then for 8 p.m. if you add 12 here, it becomes 8 plus 12 is how much? 20. So it becomes 20:00 hours, because at the case of the minutes here nothing is there, so it is 00. So I will be writing here 00 as it is. If here it was 45, so I have had written here 45. Clear? Now 11:15 p.m. 11:15 p.m. again it means it is what? We have to add here 12. If you are going to add here 12, it becomes 23:15 hours. This is pretty easier. Now it is the AM, so it is very easy. Just write it as it is. 5:35 p.m. This is homework. You can do it easily. Just add 12 to the 5. Again here it is PM, so just add 12 here. Again it is PM, so you have to add. And now for the midnight, I have already told you midnight means starting on the new day. So it will be 0000 hours. Clear? So for converting the time into 24-hour clock time, you have, if it is the case of the PM, you have to add 12 to the hours. And you will be able to convert your time into 24-hour clock time. Okay. Now change it to the 12-hour clock time. Now see, the time is given in the 12-hour clock time. You have to convert it into 20. See, the time is given in the 24-hour clock time. You have to convert it into 12-hour clock time. See here, from here you can see that the time here is now in 24-hour clock time, because only in the case of the 24-hour clock time there is no concept of AM and PM, no concept of noon and the midnight. The time is already only given in this case. So let's start. So 0815 hours. 0815 hours means it is between 1 to 12. It means it will be 8:15 AM. It will be 8:15 AM. If you are taking the case of 11:00 hours, it means again it is 1 to 12. It will be the case of 11 AM. Okay. Now 0830 hours means it will be 8:30 AM. Now here comes 1500 hours. 1500 more than 12. Now what you have to do here, you have to subtract. Now you have to subtract from hours. We know the first two digits denotes our hours and the last two digits denote our minutes. So now you will be going to subtract 12 from 15. When you subtract 12 from 15, you will be getting here 3. You are not going to subtract 12 from 00 because this denotes your minutes and you are not going to do any operation on the minutes. Whatsoever operation you have to perform in the 24-hour clock time or for changing into 12-hour clock time, you have to perform only on the hours. Okay, so 15 minus 12 is what? 15 minus 12 is your 3. Now it will be AM or PM? Yes, it is more than 12, so now it will be PM. And I had already told you here 00000 hours means 12 midnight. Okay, and here you can see here 22 hours means here 22 is more than 12. So you are going to subtract 12 from the hours. When you subtract, and it will be, you can write it like this so that you will not be confused. So when you minus it, it becomes 10:22 PM. Okay, clear? Now this is in homework. If you see the case of 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1. Now the hours 0, 1 is less than 12. So it will be 1:23, that is AM. Okay, this portion and this question, this part is also in homework. So this exercise is very easier, how to convert into 24-hour clock time and how to change your 24-hour clock time into 12-hour clock time. So if you will be practicing it and you will be able to understand it, what is 12-hour clock time and what is 24-hour clock time, so you will be able to do all the questions. Okay, thank you.